The laughter of the Kookaburra, nature's masterpiece. Unveiling the fascinating traits of Australia's iconic bird.
By AI for Kids. Join us on an enchanting journey through the lush landscapes of Australia and New Guinea, where the Kookaburra reigns as a symbol of joy and balance. This book explores the intricate beauty of the Kookaburra's world, highlighting its ecological importance, endearing family dynamics, and profound cultural resonance. Dive into a narrative that will not only educate but inspire a deeper appreciation for the intricate tapestries of the natural world. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
The Call of the Kookaburra.
In the heart of the eucalyptus forest, the joyful cackle of the Kookaburra echoes through the trees. Known as the bushman's alarm clock, this iconic call of the laughing Kookaburra is more than just a sound, it's a vibrant announcement that heralds the beginning and end of the day. Revered for its laughter-like tones, it unites the Australian bush in song, playing a significant role in Aboriginal culture as an emblem of the untamed beauty of the land.
It's dusk, and the bush is alive with sound. The Kookaburras begin their chorus, a laughter that fills the air and dances through the leaves. It's a melody steeped in tradition, a reminder of nature's indomitable spirit. Why do I laugh? Because each sunrise and sunset is new, filled with promise and life.
Home among the trees.
Nestled within the branches of Australia and New Guinea's sprawling woodlands, the Kookaburra finds its home. These adaptable birds thrive in a variety of environments, from the dense eucalyptus forests to urban landscapes. Their stout bodies and distinctive blue flanks combine to create an unmistakable silhouette against the sun-drenched sky. Here, amid the calls of other forest dwellers, Kookaburras lay claim to their territories, guarding them fiercely with aplomb and a clever sense of hierarchy.
Among the whispering leaves and the rustling underbrush, the Kookaburra reigns supreme, its home a haven of balance between the wild and the serenely quiet. This forest is my kingdom, my shelter, where the canopy dances to the songs of both dawn and dusk.
The Master Hunter.
Majestically swooping down from its perch, the Kookaburra showcases its prowess as a skilled predator, eyes sharply focused on its prey below. These carnivorous birds, with their powerful beaks, capture everything from insects to small rodents, maintaining a crucial balance within the ecosystem. This mastery of hunting is taught over generations, as young Kookaburras observe and mimic their parents, honing instincts essential to their survival.
The Kookaburra, a quiet sentinel, watches until the moment is ripe. Then, like lightning, it dives, transforming patience into precise action. In every rustle of grass, every gust of wind, opportunity hides. I watch, I wait, I strike.
Family bonds.
Family is the cornerstone of Kookaburra life, where bonds are forged in the nest and nurtured through shared responsibility. Monogamous pairs raise their young with care, assisted by older siblings who help feed and protect the fledglings. This tight-knit family structure not only ensures the survival of offspring but also enriches the social tapestry of the forest, creating a thriving community of kin.
Within the embrace of the forest, the call of family is strong. Cooperation rings out with each shared meal and vigil kept over the young. To be among those I cherish is my greatest joy and duty, guiding new life into the world.
Guardians of the bush.
In the intricate web of their ecosystem, kookaburras play the vital role of population controllers. By preying on lizards, insects, and snakes, they maintain the delicate balance that nature requires. This ecological stewardship is pivotal in sustaining the biodiversity of their habitat, ensuring each component thrives in synchrony with its surroundings.
In the dance of existence, every predator must also be a guardian. The kookaburra, vigilant and thorough, holds nature's fabric carefully together. In my talons lies the promise of balance. In my beak, life's equilibrium is upheld.
The song of the land.
Instrumental in the cultural lore of Aboriginal Australians, the kookaburra's call brings with it whispers of legend and song. Seen as a herald of life's cycles, its laughter ushers in dawn and dusk, anchoring the rhythm of the land. The spiritual echo of the kookaburra's voice is a reminder of the stories and traditions that bind people to the earth and its timeless patterns.
In laughter, the spirit speaks. The kookaburra's song transcends the ordinary, bridging earth with sky and the tangible with the ethereal. My voice sings the world awake and cradles it to rest. I am both presence and memory.
Challenges of change.
While kookaburras currently enjoy least concern conservation status, challenges loom as urban expansion encroaches upon their natural habitats. The rise in habitat destruction threatens these resilient birds, necessitating proactive conservation efforts. Their ability to adapt, however, inspires a hopeful narrative for the future, encouraging mindfulness about our collective impact on fragile ecosystems.
In a world of shifting landscapes, the kookaburra remains a steadfast symbol of resilience, thriving on a horizon where nature meets humanity. Change is ever present. What remains unwavering is our spirit, a testament to survival against the odds.
The unseen wonder.
Beyond the laughter and plumage lies the profound narrative of an ecosystem reliant on its quirky inhabitant. The kookaburra stands as an ambassador to the beauty of biodiversity, representing the symbiotic relationships that thread through the environment. As environmental symbols, these birds urge us to cherish and protect the unseen marvels of the natural world, highlighting the essential connection between all living things.
Where eyes do not reach nor ears often listen, the kookaburra's presence is a call to witness the splendor of interwoven life and its indelible magic. I am seen and unseen, heard and unheard, yet part of all things. To know me is to embrace the wildness within you.